Hello, good morning to all.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, so we have Ezekiel and Jehovan. Ezekiel and Jehovan, did you saw the video yesterday? Ezekiel and Jehovan, turn on the camera, please.
Huh?
Did you saw the video yesterday?
No, sir. It was only filmed from October 1st.
Oh, okay. So, Ezekiel, you saw the video? Ezekiel, can you hear me? Ezekiel? Okay, we'll start the class. Okay,
Sir, are
so
we
we will
having
do.
doubt class today?
Yeah, we have doubt class. Yeah, we'll do doubt class first. Yeah, tell me your doubts on chapter number 23. Yes, please.
Page 583, the 11th.
Yeah, which one?
Page 583, the 11th.
Chapter number
23, sir.
page 583.
Yes,
Question number 1.
11.
11. Okay. So we'll do this question. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Hello, Abigail.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today we have doubt class.
Yes, sir, I have some doubts.
Yeah, good. Okay, now this is the question. From the top of the building of 60-meter high, the angle of depression of the bottom of the tower is considered as 45 and 60 degrees. Find the respective angle. Okay. So this is very easy question. So first of all, you have to draw the diagram. So for example, there is a tower. Now what is angle of depression? I told you the angle of depression means if you will see towards the downward, then it will create an angle of depression. For example, a man is standing like this. Now this is horizontal line. I mean, if you will see straight, then it's gonna be like this. But when he will say downwards to this, then it will create an angle of depression. So he said that the two angle of depression is created in this question. Okay, and this one is 45, and this one is 60. Now, from the top of the building is how much high? This this is 60-meter high. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate. Okay. I wrote the wrong question for this. From the top of the building, 60 meters higher. Okay. So this is a building which is 60-meter high, and there's a tower. Okay. Now the tower, this and this is saying this one. Like for example, we'll take one example. For example, um, this is the horizontal line, yes, okay, and this is the tower, okay. Now, the angle of depression means this angle. This angle is called as angle of depression. Okay, this is how much? This is 45, and this is how much? This is how much? This is 60 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find the height of the tower and distance between the building. Understood, guys? No. Did you got the diagram? Hmm? I'm repeating again. From the top of the building, the angle of depression to the bottom, to the top, and the bottom is 45 and 60 degrees respectively. Right? If you will stand on the top of the building and if you will see the top of the tower, it creates a 45 degree. Like for example, the straight line is this, and if I will see downward, then it's create an angle of depression. So that angle of depression is how much? 45 degree. Understood, guys? No. Hmm? Okay. And in the same way, Ezekiel, if that person will see the bottom of the tower, it's create a 60 degree. Okay. Yes or no? Now we have to calculate it. Okay. So the diagram is gonna be look like this. I'll make the diagram one more time. Okay. Now remember one thing. If this is 45, then this is also 45. Why? Anybody can tell me? Anybody can tell me why this is 45 degrees? Because alternative interior angle. I told you, like these two lines are parallel because horizontal lines are there, they are parallel to each other. Now, if this is the angle, then this is all equal to this. And if this is 60 degree, then this is equal to 60 degree. So it means that the new angle or the new diagram is going to be like this. A, B, C, D. So the new diagram is like this. Understood, guys? Now we have to solve it. So for solving part, I'm taking this as x, then this will become 60 minus x. Okay. So in triangle ABC, means then 45 degrees is equals to perpendicular upon base, then 45 degrees is equal to 1. Perpendicular is x, base I don't know, so the base will become x. Understood? And in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to perpendicular, which is 60 upon base is x, because just now I wrote. So it will become x is equal to 60 upon base 3. I have to simplify it. X becomes to 60 by 3, 3, and it becomes 20. So I got the value of x is 20 root 3. I got the value as 20 root 3. So this is the distance between the two buildings. Now we have to find the tower height. So I told you, see, this is 60 minus x, then this is also 60 minus x. Of course, they form a rectangle, and rectangle opposite sides are equal. So CE is equals to 60 minus x. CE is equals to 60 minus 20 root 3 meter. So this is the building height. If you will put the root value root 3, which is 1.71, and if you solve it, you will get the answer. Understood? No. Ezekiel, did you understand? Yes, sir. Abigail, Anna, Jehoan, understood, beta? Okay, next question, please.
So what's the distance from the building?
What is the?
Distance from the building.
See, I got the here base is x, no? Like this is x,
Oh.
no? So the x is 20 root 6, so this is the distance. Yes. Next doubt, please. Don't stop. Just tell me doubt. Abigail, doubt. Anna, doubt. Ezekiel, Jehoan, please tell me your doubt. Ezekiel, did you practice this chapter? No?
I did, sir, but I did not have much time to prepare for the doubts. I was not at home.
Uh-huh. Don't compile your homework and work, okay? Just do it regularly. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Abigail, please.
Check your progress 23.1, the eighth question.
Yeah. Mm. 23.1, question number 8. This one? Jehoan, you don't have any doubt, beta?
Trying to
Sorry?
trying to find some.
Okay. Now, in this, Anna, A for Anna, you have doubt, please ask me, okay? See, this is sine A plus 2B is equals to root 3 by. Okay. Now tell me when the sine value is root 3 by 2, we will check the table. So sine root 3 by 2 is equals to which degree?
60 degree.
So can I write like this? Sine A plus 2B is equals to sine 60 degree. Yes, because sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Now this sine and this sine will cut. So I got one equation which is A plus 2B is equals to 60 degree. Now cos A plus 4B is equals to 0. Now tell me the value of cos when it is 0.
90 degree.
Yes, good. So cos A plus 4B is equals to cos 90 degree. Cos and cos will cut. So it becomes A plus 4B is equals to 90. Understood? No. Now, do you know elimination method, Abigail? No?
I don't think so.
Okay. So can I write A as 60 minus 2B? I just said plus 2B to the other side equals to become minus 2B. Okay. And then I put the value of A here. So it is like this. A plus 4B is there. So instead of A, I will write 60 minus 2B plus 4B is equals to 90. 60 plus 2B is equals to 90. 2B is equals to 90 minus 60. B is equals to 30 upon 2. B is equals to 50. So I got the value of B is 50. So it will become A plus 4B is equals to 90. A plus 4 into 50 is equals to 90. A plus 60 is equals to 90. A is equal to 90 minus 60. A is equal to 30. I got the value. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ezekiel, did you understand, beta?
I'm trying to understand it, sir.
Yeah, which you didn't understand. Ask me. I'm telling it.
I'm checking what you did, sir. I understood what you like the thing. I'm just checking it again.
Like you we learned now root 3/2. When the root 3/2 will come in sine table.
I'll have to check the identity 1 second. Keep quiet. 1 second.
I'm not saying anything. Jagoan, did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A for Anna. हो
Yes.
गया ना? Yes, Ezekiel. Tell me.
Then
I
sin
forgot.
theta, sir.
Yes, then at which value the value will be root 3/2. मतलब which
Yeah.
degree angle?
I forgot that. I'll just check it for 1 second.
See, here it's sine 60. When sine 60 is there, the value is root 3/2. So instead of root 3/2, I just wrote the value of sine 60. Then I cut sine and sine. What is the mean behind a plus 2b is equal to 60? I wrote like this.
How did you cut the sign, sir?
This thing,
Yeah. Okay.
you have to check in the table. Table, you have to remember it, or you can make in your copy again and again like this. Then only you will get these values. Okay.
Okay.
You forgot the table? How we make the table?
No, I have the table. Just it's in another room. It's in my room. Like I
Okay.
made a paper with the formulas, but it's over there. So.
Okay. Yeah. One thing I have to
Yeah,
announce. Yes, please
could you do the 6 and the 7 for me?
say loudly because only disturbance I got. What you are saying? What are you saying? I didn't hear so literally. Say again. Nah, wait. You, Hannah, I didn't hear your doubt. Yes, Ezekiel, you have doubts? Ask me.
Nothing happened.
Abigail, she is writing, I guess, in the chat box. You tell me your
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah, sir. I have one more doubt. Just a minute.
Anna, April, Anna, you don't have any doubts today?
I have doubts in the other lessons that weren't done in the class.
Okay. This
Sir,
chapter, no doubt? Doubt illa?
What's it?
This chapter, doubt illa? Doubt nahi hai koi bhi? Kuch? And no doubt?
I didn't get a chance to do this chapter, but I'll have doubts in the terminal questions.
Okay, okay. Let Abigail come finish, then we will do our take it out. Yes, yes, Abigail, please. Go ahead.
sir, check your progress 23.2, the seventh question.
Okay, let me check. The seventh question. Okay. Okay. Now, a tree 12-meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its tip touches the ground and makes a 60-degree angle. So, for example, this is a tree, and it got it is basically 12-meter high, but it got broke in such a way that this makes a 60-degree with the ground. Okay. Now, the tree, now you have to calculate at what height from the ground the tree is broken. So means we have to find this distance. Can we consider it as a x? Then this distance will become 12 minus. Can you tell me how? How it can become 12? See,
Because
yeah,
plus x plus the other side is equal to 12.
yes. See, this is whole side is 12, and the x I'm taking this. So this distance will become how much? 12 minus x. Now this tree is broken down in this hypotenuse way. That's why it becomes 12 minus x. Understood, guys? Jehoan, Ezekiel, Anna. Okay. So now in triangle, so I'll make a proper diagram again. In triangle ABC, theta is 60 degree, perpendicular is x, and hypotenuse is 12 meters. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? We have to what we have to calculate? What? Yeah, we have to like check the trigonometric ratio in which hypotenuse and base is related. So I'm taking sine 60 degree, which is equals to h upon p. Sine 60 degree is root 3, h is 12 minus x, and this is x. That will go. It becomes root 3x is equals to 12 minus x. It becomes root 3x plus x is equals to 12. X I'll take out common, so it becomes root 3 plus 1 is equals to 12. X equals to 12 upon root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. It will become 12 into root 3 minus 1 upon a plus b a minus b means root 3 square, which is 3 minus b square, which is 1. It will become 12 root 3 minus 1 upon 2. It will become 6 root 3 minus 1 is the understood?
Uh,
Yes.
I thought sine 60 is root 3 by 2.
Oh my god. Can you say this little bit earlier before also?
No, I was going on checking myself again and again because I was like, how can sir be wrong?
Oh my god. Since I'm getting minus.
What?
Hmm.
Sine theta is equal to BH, right? B by H, right, sir?
What I'm getting, bro. This will happen when you're not taking good sleep. No, no, I just sleep like 9:30. This is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Next, and I doubt you're saying something.
Um,
Hmm.
terminal exercise, page 585. So verify thing the third.
Page 585.
In third and fourth, both, I can't get the third one.
You didn't get a third one. Okay. So now here, wherever theta is there, you have to
Sir,
write the
it's not
value
that
of.
one. That's the first one.
So then, which one you negative?
Third one. Tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta.
Okay. So wherever the theta is there, you have to put the value of as 30 degrees. So tan 2 into 30 is equals to 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Okay. So it will become tan 60 degree is equals to 2 tan 30 upon now 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Tan 60 value is root 3 multiply by 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square is equals to 2 into 1 upon root 3. So it becomes root 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 by root. 1 upon 1 minus 3 is equals to 2 upon root 3 into 2. It becomes 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is equals to.
Could you explain it from where it goes from like the tan stuff to the number?
Sorry?
Could you explain it when you're converting the tan values?
No, you don't need to explain. You just write the value.
No, I didn't understand that.
Acha, oh, okay. You're asking me to explain. Oh my God. See, now 2, 10, 30 can be written as 2 into 1 by root 3.
Tan,
Like 10, 30 can be written as 1 by root 3, no? And then 10 square 30 can be written as 1 upon root 3 square because 10 square is given. The square will come. So 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square will be there. Now 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square will become 1 upon 3 because 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. And then I send this root 3 to the other side, it goes to become 3. I mean root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 2 upon 3. And this is also 2 upon 3.
okay.
Next doubt. Go please. Yes, A for Anna.
I don't have doubts in this lesson, so.
Okay. Anybody?
The first question in the terminal exercise, fourth part.
So it's fourth part, first question you're saying?
Yeah, so first question,
Same
fourth part.
terminal. Same terminal.
Yeah, same terminal.
First question, fourth part.
Yeah, fourth part.
Okay, cot 45 degrees 1 upon sec 30 degree. What is sec 30 degree? I guess root 3 by 2. Like 2 by root 3. Plus cosec 30 degree. It's 2. It becomes 1 upon 2 upon root 3 plus 2 upon 2 root 3 upon root 3. It becomes 1 upon 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3. Now can I write it like this? 1 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3. That will become 1 into 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. So root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. From non-rationalization, Now you have to solve it. So I can take out 2 as a common also. Root 3 minus 3 upon minus 8. This is the answer. Understood? You want me to explain?
No, sir, I understood. I just wanted to know, would the -8 and the 2 cancel?
Yeah. So what I did, minus will go in the numerator. So it's root 3 minus 3 is there. So because minus go to the numerator, so the sign will change. So the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir?
Yes.
I think I'm kind of confused with the proving part. Could you do
Mhm.
the terminal questions, the second one, the second question, the third one?
Second question. The third one you're saying, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the question. It's nothing else. You have to put the values into this. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 is equals to 1 by root 2 into um, root. Okay. So it is 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2 equals to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 root 3. Understood, Anna?
Okay, sir.
So we'll stop here only in maths class. And then in 5 minutes, you will have your science class. Come back. Soon.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Abigail. Bye, A for Anna.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
You guys have 5 minutes. Come back in 5 minutes. Quickly. Okay, guys. So, good morning to all. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Yeah. So now we will start. Wait a check. Wait. Yeah. Good morning, Jashron. We saw you after a long time.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So we did this pH one. Now today we will learn about the formation of salt. So in this also we did, I guess, neutralization ho gaya tha, acid and this one ho gaya tha, and this one is also done. Now today we will learn about making of the baking soda. Before going that, we will learn the bleaching powder first. We will do the bleaching powder first, and then we will do the rest of that. Okay. So first of all, we will understand some terms. First is brine solution. Now, what is brine solution? Brine solution is the solution in which NaCl and water is added. Okay, this called as brine solution. Like if you're making salt water, it's basically a brine solution. Like we used to make for the lemonade, no? For lemonade, we will add salt or the sugar. So only the salt plus water is called as the brine solution. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now, don't write it because this is important thing. Now, in this question, in this diagram, we will take this brine solution to the process of electrolysis. Now, what is electrolysis? So, electro means electricity and lysis means break. So, with the help of electricity, if we will break the compound, it's called as electrolysis. What is called as electrolysis? Now, don't write, please. Okay. Now, what we will do?
You are muted, sir. You're on mute, sir.
Sorry. what I did, I took a flask and I add the brine solution into it. What solution? Brine solution. Now, what is brine solution? I just told you now. Brine solution is a mixture of salt, tesh ka namak, tata namak, and water. So I took this brine solution in that vessel. Okay, understood, guys? Now, and then I added two things, which is anode, which is also called as positive terminal, anode, which is also called as positive terminal, and cathode, which is also called as negative terminal. Okay, first is anode, and the second one is cathode, positive terminal and negative terminal. Understood, guys? Joshua, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you understand what I taught you just now?
Yeah. I just joined now, so
Okay, I know that you were not there in maths class, but in science class, be attentive, okay? If you have doubt, just ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I took anode and cathode. Anode is a positive terminal, and whereas cathode is a negative terminal. Jehovan and Jashon, don't write. Put your pen down. Put your pen down. Pen down. Pen down. Come on. Yeah. Good. Good. Okay. So now what I did, I joined this cathode and anode with a battery. Okay, this is a battery and this is a switch. Simple arrangement. When I turn on, okay, now what I did, when I start the electricity flow into this, then what happened? Then here some reaction occurs. Now we will understand that reaction part. Like NaCl was there. Okay, NaCl was there. NaCl, and then water is there. Then I pass electricity. Then I pass electricity. Then you know what happened? That here NaCl, Na and Cl break their bond, and H and OH break their bond. Okay. When I pass electricity in this solution, NaCl water, when I pass electricity into it, then Na and Cl break their bond, and H water and water, which is also called as HOH, they broke their bond. Then now what happened? This Na creates a bond with this OH, making NaOH, and these two compound doesn't make their bond. But what happened? See, NaOH is formed plus Cl negative is there and H positive is there. Now what happened? See, this is positive is there, H positive is there. Oh my God. H positive is there. So H positive will go towards the negative terminal. Which terminal? It will go towards the negative terminal because positive attracts towards the negative. Yes. And in the same way, this chlorine Cl minus will go towards the positive terminal. So here we get two type of gases. Okay. Here we got two types of gases. At anode, we got which gas? Can you tell me? At anode, we get Cl2 gas, which is also called as chlorine gas. Okay. Why chlorine gas? because chlorine is negative ion. It moves towards the anode. Chlorine makes chlorine gas. Understood? And in the same way, here in this we got in cathode we got hydrogen gas. In cathode we got hydrogen gas, and we remove sodium hydroxide from this pipe. So here, when NaCl and water reacted and it goes through the electricity, it forms NaOH, like I told you here, and Cl minus and H plus. Minus will move towards the positive terminal, which is anode, make chlorine gas on anode, and H plus will go towards the cathode, make hydrogen gas at cathode. Understood, guys? So this is what electrolysis of water, which is brine solution, we learned. Any problem in that?
Sir,
Please.
can you explain the NaOH thing again? The electricity.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, see, NaCl and H2O is there, and I pass electricity. Then what happened? This Na and this Cl, their bond is there, it will break. It will break. In the same way, H2O is there. H2O is made up of H plus and OH minus. I write the signs here also so that you will not get confused. So what happened? This H plus and OH is split into water will split into H plus and OH minus. Now Na plus is there and OH minus is there. They will make a bond, make NaOH, which will be taken out from this pipe. Cl minus is there. The minus will attract towards the anode, which is the positive terminal, make chlorine gas on anode. And H plus is there. It will go towards the cathode because positive is there, so it will make H2 gas.
Okay.
And
Yes.
this is what electrolysis is. So write it down now.
Electro, what's up?
Electrolysis means with the help of electricity, we are breaking the compounds. It's called as electrolysis. Quickly draw the diagram. Diagram is very important. Write each and every detail. They can ask you this process is also called as chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. Tell me when you're done. Ezekiel, Joshua, did you understand better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Done? Shall I erase this? Everyone?
So what's the purple writing at the down part?
Chlor alkali process. CHLOR, chlor alkali, ALKALI on process. Okay, now listen, guys. Here, why it is called as chloralkali process? Because we are getting chlorine and alkali, which is a base. In this process, that's why it's called as chloralkali process. Okay. Now, now we will learn about bleaching powder. Now, what is bleaching powder? See, guys, bleaching 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 powder is uh, we are taking slake lime. Now, anybody can tell me what is slake lime? Do you know what is slake lime? I told you many times. Did you remember that? Slake lime is also called as calcium hydroxide. Okay.
So
When we,
it's slate lime.
yeah, slake lime.
Okay, I'm hearing slate lime. Like what I say.
Not lion, not lion, nothing. Only slake lime. Okay. So we got chlorine gas at which terminal? Can you tell me, guys? Don't write Jehovah. Which terminal we got chlorine?
Positive.
Positive, which is anode. So when we will take slake lime and we will react with this chlorine gas, then we will get calcium oxychloride. What is it called? It is called as calcium oxychloride and water. So calcium oxychloride is basically called as bleaching powder. So anybody knows what is bleaching powder?
Yeah,
What is bleaching? Yeah, tell me then.
it's a powder we used to clean our well.
Clean up when?
Well.
Well, okay. So basically, bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant. Also, like if you want to remove the disinfectant, then we use bleaching powder for that. Or bleaching powder is also used for the decolorization of a thing. For example, if a white shirt is there and there is some marker or something is there, then we will use bleaching powder for that. Okay, so bleaching powder is always there to decolorization or de-infectants or manufacturing of paper like this. So now we have to write the uses also. So I'm just writing it. You guys please write it down. Okay. Yeah, write it down. So bleaching powder is used in textile industries like cotton and linen, in paper industries also, in wood, in making wool unshakable also, using a disinfectants, manufacturing of chloroforms, oxidizing even in chemical industries, etc. So these are the uses of bleaching powder that is used. Okay, and how it is formed? This is how formed. Understood, guys? Now they can ask you the form.
Where, sir? That's the reaction. CaOH2 plus Cl2.
Yeah, this will
Okay.
form KOlCl2, which is called as bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride.
So is the last one plus H2O?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My network is not working. I don't know. Say loudly.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Did you wrote that thing? No. Hello. Did you wrote that thing, or you want one more time?
So could you show
Okay.
the bleaches uses, the bleach powder uses?
Bleaching powder.
Yeah.
This is the uses.
Okay.
Tell me when you're done.
Done, sir.
Just give me a second. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, can you hear me now? Am I audible?
Law from manufacturing.
Sorry. Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now we learned how we form the this thing, bleaching powder. Now we will learn about the making of baking soda. Okay, baking soda is basically NaHCO3. Okay, it is also called as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. You can say anything. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, anything you can say. Okay. Now this baking soda, is basically how it is manufactured. We will learn that. Don't write anything. So basically, what they do, they take NaOH, they take carbon dioxide, they take ammonia. No. I- Is this NaCl? No. Yeah, I was wrong. See, they take NaCl plus water. Now, NaCl plus water is also called as, please say, NaCl plus water is also called as,
Fine.
yes, this is brine solution. Okay, this is carbon dioxide and ammonia. So when they go through this process, they create sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride sol is formed, which is this is called as precipitation and this is called as baking soda. Okay. Now sodium bicarbonate is basic in nature and it is formed in the form of crystallized form. Okay, white crystal it forms. And when this baking soda, which is NaHCO3, it's heated, it creates sodium carbonate. It's called as sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide gas will release. Which gas will release? Carbon dioxide. Now, who make cake at home? Cake or bread? Guys make? Mama used to say, put some pinch of baking soda. Yes? Put some pinch of baking soda or baking powder. So why they used to tell? Now we will learn the science behind that. Okay. Now you love cake to be fluffy or to be hard like a stone? You love cake, na? Hmm? One of my sister made cake one time. It was so hard, like if I will throw it to the glass window, it will shatter it into the pieces. Okay, so the cake was so hard. Now they basically put baking powder, soda, because to make the cake a fluffy part. Fluffy means I told you we put pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda into the cake mixture, and then we take the cake mixture. If we have oven, we put it into the oven. If we don't have oven, then as we are Indian, Jugadu one, we put some cooker and salt and We create some jugaad into that, and we make a Indian oven like this. So now, what happens during the heat of that? As I told you, this baking soda, when you will heat it, you will get the CO2 gas. Now that CO2 gas make the cake fluffy, and the dough will become little bit up because the gas is trapped inside that. Understood? Yes or no? So basically, this CO2 gas is responsible for making the fluffy, making this fluffy, cake fluffy. Now there is a waterfall in my mouth because I am telling you about cake and cake. So somebody please on YouTube, can you send me the cake like this? I'm saying. So this is what all about it. Understood, guys? Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cake. We use this thing. Okay, do you know pakora? Aloo ka pakora or something like this. So while making pakora, also we put that baking soda to make the pakora crispy. You love pakora, French fries, soggy or crispy? Huh? Mama, what is this soggy? Even I'm putting sauce, it's not straight. It is like lying down like this. So basically, crispy one we need now. So we use sodium hydrogen carbonate also for that. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So this is all about today's science class. Monday or Tuesday we'll complete this chapter. And this Friday, I mean next Friday, regular test will be happening. Okay. Now you have to prepare yourself. I am telling it light from the last 1 month. Nothing
Sir,
is
which
happening.
chapter?
Yeah. The chapter will be light. Light chapter will be there.
And
So
Okay.
when we
class.
finish that,
Full chapter, not half chapter. That was
Which
you
full
practice
gave us
test.
the
chapter,
test.
sir?
I submitted it also.
Yeah, I know. I took only the reflection part, but now I will send
No,
the
sir,
paper
you send
and
the whole chapter. You gave us the test in the class. I send it also.
yeah, I know. But now I will make the paper. This is terminal exercise. No, now I will make the paper which is little bit hard. And the light chapter they will test. Okay, Ezekiel is so excited. Thank you, Ezekiel, for showing that much excitement. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Happy
Bye,
weekend.
sir. Thank you.